putting this in place. It comes along down here, and it's supposed to go over to these wires. They have the bullet connectors on. Problem is, these don't, so I'm gonna have to put some bullet connectors on them. And then they get one of those single connectors. This wiring harness doesn't come with any of the single connectors. It does come with all the double ones though, which is nice. But I have to find all my single ones because they're hiding somewhere. To put new bullet connectors on those bare wires, you simply harvest some old ones and get a butt connector. Oh, I'm kidding. That's one way to do it. You put one of these crimp connectors on, and then you have these ugly red things all over your car. And it works, but the problem is instead of having one connection, you have 1, 2, 3 connections. So, or 2, however you want to count it. But these serve their purpose, but we're not going to do that. We are going to take these, crimp them in the vise, get a pair of needle nose pliers, and a torch. These are really just simply soldered on. So we heat them up, they pop right off. Just like that. Alright, so we have our 2 wires. Next step, we're going to solder them on. So you just take the connector, put it on there, and then you get some solder from Radio Shack. Heat it up. Now you have 2 bullet connectors.